Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make my own sea moss gel easy method. Soak 1 cup cleaned sea moss in filtered water for 12 to 24 hours, then rinse thoroughly and trim debris. Blend soaked sea moss with 2 cups fresh water until silky smooth, about 60 to 90 seconds. Pour into a jar, refrigerate for at least 4 hours to set, and use within 3 weeks for best freshness. Start by rinsing sea moss carefully to remove grit and salt. Place 1 cup of sea moss in a bowl and cover with filtered water, letting it soak for 12 to 24 hours while it expands. Drain and give it a final rinse, trimming away any discolored pieces or debris. This prep step makes blending easier and results in a cleaner tasting, smoother gel you'll love to use in recipes. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy DIY kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: I love these comfy socks I wore while making the gel. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for long kitchen days. Check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Transfer the soaked sea moss to a blender and add 2 cups of fresh water, adjusting for desired thickness. Blend on high for about 60 to 90 seconds until the mixture becomes velvety and uniform, stopping to scrape the sides if needed. Pour the smooth gel into a sterilized jar and cool it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours so it sets. Use within 3 weeks and keep refrigerated to maintain freshness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.